Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to show you how to transfer Microsoft Authenticator to a new phone on both iOS and Android in 2024. So guys, whether you're upgraded your device or need to switch phones, transferring Microsoft Authenticator is essential to maintain access to your secured account. So guys, stay tuned as we show you the guide on the step-by-step process to ensure a smooth transition without losing your authentication codes. So guys, the first thing that you will do is simply open your Microsoft Authenticator on your old phone, and after that just simply go to settings and then go to accounts and go to backups. So now once you are there, just select backup now to create a backup of your accounts to your Microsoft account or iCloud if you are using iOS. So now guys, once you have done that, next thing that you will do is go to your new phone and open up the Microsoft Authenticator and sign in with the same Microsoft account you used for a backup. And now just simply go to settings, accounts, restore accounts, and after that just follow the prompts to restore the accounts from the backup created, and it will have an instructions. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tutorials. And if you have any questions, just comment down below. And thanks for watching. See ya guys.